Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a part 2, if you will, on my timeless glam video where I showed you how to get this look for an everyday glam, and I had said in that video that you could build on top of this and create the perfect transitional day to night look. In that video I paired it with a red lip, but today I'm going to show you guys how I will take this eyeshadow look and I will spice it up a little bit, make it that beautiful nighttime going out look. So first things first is we're going to be deepening the color in our crease. As you guys remember, last time we used the Tati Beauty palette and we used this color, Soothe. We used this in my crease, and we used Ritual just on the lower part of the outer corner. And then we used Aura in the sequin shade on my lid. So today we're gonna go in and we're gonna add a little bit of Story, which is this beautiful orange shade. I love this color. And I'm going to take it on a small blending brush and I'm just going to add that into my crease. So just that much, and I'm just gonna start adding it on the outer part of the crease, blending it in. I'm not taking it all the way in, I'm just keeping it on that outer part of my eye and the upper crease, and I'm bringing it a little bit lower, but I'm not taking it all the way in. So now that we have that shade on, I'm going to go ahead and go in with another blending brush, a smaller blending brush, and I'm going to take the shade Ritual again, which is that deep chocolate brown, and I'm going to go in and I'm going to deepen that up into the outer part of my lid and a little bit into my crease. I'm not going to take it too far up, but just so that it meets with that orange transition shade and blends in together. And I'm keeping it on the outer corner. Alright, so now that we have that color on, we are going to go ahead and take that same brush that we used with the color Story, which was that orange shade, and we're going to just add a little bit more of that orange shade and we're going to buff it out. No harsh lines, no harsh lines. I like to take mine up just a little bit. And you just want to go back and forth between the two shades and kind of just keep going, keep blending. Add little by little until you're happy with the depth. First, I want to add a shimmer to my lid, and I'm gonna go ahead and go in with, I'm gonna do two things. So I'm gonna go in with the shade Story in the or the metallic formula, and I'm just going to go in with my finger and I'm literally just going to add it right where that brown meets that empty space on my lid, and I'm just going to tap it in with my finger. Now I'm going to go in with this shade from this palette. It's the L'Oreal eyeshadow palette in, does this even have a shade name? Globe Electric, Snow Globe Electric or something. I don't know. My mom got this for me from the airport, and I just really love this shade. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with that and just pat it on the inner portion of my lid again with my finger. And how pretty that is. Okay. I love the way that looks. I'm just gonna go in with the same brush that we used to apply Ritual and just go over it again. And then I'm gonna go in with a liner. So we're gonna go in with my NYX liquid liner, matte liquid liner, and I'm gonna go ahead and give myself a wing. I wouldn't normally do this, but I'm just for demonstration purposes showing you how many things you can do to make this look different. I'm not a liner girl myself, so. All right. So before I do the other eye, I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to smoke this out. And I am going to take a small little brush that's like this. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to take the shade Memory. It's a black shadow from the Tati palette. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to start patting that on the outer part of my wing, and we're going to start buffing it in and buffing it out just to give it that more smoky effect. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my small blending brush again, and I'm gonna take the shade Ritual, which is that dark brown, and I'm just going to buff in that black a little bit. Very lightly, I'm not applying a lot of pressure. And then we're gonna go in with that brush with the black again, and we're just gonna really like keep it tight to the lash line and just flick it out just ever so slightly. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm actually going to add some glitter to my lid, and I'm also gonna go in with the Tati. You guys, these glitters are so pretty. These right over here. I'm gonna use the shade Soothe, which is kind of like a true gold, and I'm gonna take a little packing brush, a tiny one just like that, and I'm gonna dip into that gold, and I'm just gonna start brushing it out over my lid. So that is that eye. I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some lashes. So what I would normally do if I wore it to work and I was wearing more dainty lashes, I would take them off and replace them with a more dramatic lash. Today I'm going to use Lily lashes in the style Mykonos. And I'm going to go ahead and finish this eye off camera, and I'm going to pop on my lashes and then I will be back. Okay, so the lashes are on. The eyes are looking snatched. Do I sound so cool when I say that? So we are gonna go in with the under eye, or lower lash line, I should say. And we're gonna take a flat shader brush and we're gonna go in with the shade Story first, which is that pretty orange color. And we're just gonna start putting that in, not too neatly, just kind of rubbing it across the lower lash line. Don't worry, we're not going to keep it like this. Then I'm going to take a pencil brush like this, and I'm going to take that shade Soothe. And just blend that shade out. You could add like a black to your waterline, a brown, make it more smoky, more intense. I like to keep a nude or a bone colored shadow in my waterline. I just like the way that that looks better on my eyes, especially when I'm wearing a wing liner. And I'm just gonna buff that out. I could also take like that shade Ritual and like just push it into my lashes. Actually, yeah, let's do that. I'm gonna take a brush like this and we're gonna go in with the shade Ritual and we're just gonna start pushing that into our lash line. Just ever so slightly. Just give it a little bit of definition. I'm not gonna take it all the way in, just halfway, and just push it into our lash line. That way it's barely noticeable. And there we go. Then we're gonna add some mascara. Just the base of my lashes so that they blend in with my natural lashes, and then with those bottom lashes. Epic. So I already have a lip color on. Let me tell you what combo I have. So I'm wearing the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat in Pillow Talk as my lip liner, and then the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Mon Caramel. So that's what I'm wearing right now, but I'm gonna throw a gloss over top because extra. And you guys, I'm obsessed with this gloss, the Milani Ludicrous gloss, and She's All That. I think this is like my favorite right now. Oh, got too excited. All right. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this glam. I think it turned out so pretty, so perfect for a night out. If you're going to a wedding, if you're going to an engagement, if you're going to the club, if you're going just out with your girls for dinner. So versatile. You could make this so much more dramatic. There's so many different ways that you can dress this up, and that's why I thought it was so important to share on my channel. Stay tuned for Sunday's video, because Sunday I'm going to be talking about my top favorite drugstore lashes, and I'm going to be applying them so you can see each lash and what they look like and how to tell the difference when they're in the packaging of what's going to be more dramatic, what's going to be more natural. And yeah, so it's going to be all about lashes this Sunday. So I hope you guys will tune in for that. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that post notification so you don't miss any time that I upload. Check out all my socials. They'll be linked in my description box below. I post Instagram makeup tutorials on my stories every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and then they're saved in my highlights. So you guys can go and follow me there if you want to see even more makeup looks, tips, tricks, and ideas. But yeah, I hope you guys really like this video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.